Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Finding working coupon codes can save you serious money, and I'm going to show you exactly where to look and how to verify they're legit. Step 1. Start by checking the retailer's official website. Most companies have a dedicated promotions page or banner at the top of their site advertising current deals. This is always your safest bet because you know the codes are legitimate and active. Step 2. Sign up for email newsletters from your favorite brands. Companies regularly send exclusive coupon codes to subscribers, sometimes offering discounts you won't find anywhere else online. You'll also get notified immediately when new sales start. Step 3. Use dedicated coupon aggregator websites like RetailMeNot, Honey, or Capital One Shopping. These platforms collect codes from users and merchants, and you can see which ones have the highest ratings and most recent activity. Step 4. Follow brands on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Retailers frequently drop promotional codes for followers as part of their social strategy, sometimes offering flash sales or limited time deals. Step 5. Check browser extensions that automatically apply coupon codes at checkout. Tools like Honey, Rakuten, and Ibotta scan available codes and apply the best one automatically, saving you time and money without having to search manually.